Hello, Sis Miro! Yan, birthday mo na naman. Parang kailan lang, di ba? Kaka-birthday mo lang ngayon. Birthday mo ulit, di ba? Happy birthday to you, sis. And I'm wishing you, syempre, happiness and the best of health always. And as for your YT channel naman, congratulations, di ba? Dahil finally, certified YouTuber ka na kasi yan, monetize na yung iyong YouTube channel. And more power in your channel and tuloy-tuloy lang sis, tuloy-tuloy lang. And enjoy lang sa pagwa-YT. And thank you for your friendship dahil from day 1 to until now na sa aking YT journey, we remained friends, diba? Na kahit hindi man tayo nag-uusap madalas, yan, isang tawag lang mo sa akin, diba? I'm always here to listen to your stories. And syempre ikaw din, you're always there for me. Kung kailangan ko ng kausap, diba? And yan, I hope to see you again, sis. And yan, pag lumuwas ulit ako ng Maynila, syempre, isa na yan lagi sa aking itinerary, ang puntahan ka or ang makipagkita sa'yo, diba? It's been, siguro kung magkikita ulit tayo, pang-4 na beses na nating, diba, nagkita. And yan, again, thank you for your friendship, sis. And I'm always here, I'm just a call away. And yan, again, happy birthday, and I'm wishing you happiness and the best of health always. Yan, enjoy your day, sis, and yan, stay beautiful. Bye, and happy birthday ulit.
Malingayan Karawan, baby. Enjoy. Malingayan Karawan, baby. Feliz cumpleaños, bebé. Happy birthday, bebé.
Hi guys, ako pala si Jules TV at pinabati ko nga pala sa Kids Minito. Europalize natin yung channel namin. Ayan, happy birthday to you guys. And thank you so much. And congratulations kasi monetize na yung channel mo. At syempre, sa akin ka na. And gusto ko lang sabihin is more practice about stay healthy. So, sana kayo magbabago. And andito lang kami lagi para sa po. Kasi ang ginagawa. So much. Happy